Hello, what's up, guys? Welcome back with me, WDO. Now, I'm gonna make a video about what you should do if you had a Samsung, a flagship one, maybe S8, S9, S10, S20, S21 that has a cracked screen like this. So it's a dot over here and then crack over here, and as you can see, uh, even I taped it. I put a tape on it. As you can see, this is a really has a big crack, as you know. And then as for the function, yeah, the upper side, yeah, of this phone, something like this, I cannot scroll down, if a normal phone, when you scroll down from the top edge, you will see a setting, yeah, in a normal Samsung phone. So but in this phone, yeah, in this phone, because it already cracked over there and over here, as you can see, several parts of the phone I cannot touch. I will show you. If I want to touch this one, maybe 085, it can, but this one no. Yeah, this one in the line, on the line over here, and I cannot touch it. Yeah, some of the phone I cannot touch it. So what's the back side, I mean, what's the con of if you cannot touch the upper side of your phone is you can do many things. You cannot do many things. As for example, yeah, if I want to open up something like maybe this, wait a minute, the contrast is a little bit changed. Yeah, if I want to open up the Play Store maybe, and then I want to search, yeah, on the bar, I can't do that. So what you should do with some kind of this trouble, okay, I'll tell you, you only need one thing to do. You only need one thing to do. First of all, you can't go to the setting, so put the setting in on the bottom, yeah, on the bottom side, something like this. I put it on the bottom side, this one, the setting, and then open up it, the setting, and then find the advanced feature. Find the advanced feature, this one, yeah, and then make sure, yeah, make sure that, I'm sorry, yeah, make sure that in this advanced feature, you open up this one, motion and gesture, yeah, motion and gesture. Wait a minute, yeah, we'll open it up, motion and gesture, and then find this one-handed mode. Yeah, usually it's turned off, but you can turn it on. Yeah, yeah, as you can see, I still manage to turn it on because it is in the bottom side of the phone. But if it's on the upper side, on the top side, I can do that. Okay, I can do that. So this one I can, but in this line no. So turn on the one-handed mode. Okay, after you turn on the one-handed mode, you can open it up, and then make sure this one swipe up diagonally from either both corner or the button. Make sure you use the button. Yeah, tap the home button 3 times to use this feature. So after you do that, and then okay, let's see what happened. Okay, wait a minute, it's stuck. Yeah, 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 3. Okay, it already opened the one-handed mode. And then if you want to open the setting from the top edge, you will see, okay, as you can see, I can do that. So that is what you should do with your crack S8. Yeah, if the top hub is you can't touch the top hub, but you still manage to touch the bottom hub, you can use the one-handed mode. But what if, yeah, what if you can't, you want to turn it back to the something like this, you just start over there. Okay, so that is the function of the one-handed mode. So now what if many of the screen, because of the crack, you can touch it, you can touch over here, over here, over here. Okay, I will tell you, you can use the I will grab it for a second, just wait a minute. Yeah, okay, here. Okay, you can use the USB-C hub. Okay, and then put it here, something like that. Voila, you can use it. And then use a mouse, something like this. Yeah, a wireless one. Okay, and then put in the bottom of your Samsung phone. Okay, something like this. Okay, and then use the mouse to operate the screen, so you can touch barely every side of the screen. Yeah, you want to open the setting from the top, and then you want to touch this one or everything, yeah, on the screen, you can touch it. This is the second case. If you want to, if your screen already broke so bad, so despite using this one, the one-handed feature, because of it's already broke over all over the face or all over the place, you can use the mouse. Okay, something like this. It's a really cheap one. Yeah, this one is only maybe less than $1. Yeah, yeah, something like that. So that is what you should do. Okay, and now what if you want to, because it's already cracked so bad, you can use it as a multimedia. Yeah, I mean, if you want to, I will show you. Yeah, what you need is this one. Okay, you need this Samsung DeX station. So if you have the Samsung that already cracked, yeah, Samsung S8, S9, S10, S20, yeah, you can use Samsung DeX. Yeah, so it will be still usable, and you will still can use it as a multimedia feature. You can connect it to your TV, to your monitor, and you can still do many things with your Samsung, even though it's still cracked. Okay, something like that. And then the last, yeah, but not least, yeah. Okay, you can I forgot to say, but this one is already cheap right now. Yeah, maybe for about 10 bucks or maybe 15, you can got this one. Okay, last but not least, what if you want to customize? Okay, customize, because it's crack over here, crack over there. You want to minimize the crack, so in order to make it not visible, yeah, what you can do, I'm sorry, yeah, what you can do, open up the setting, and then find the bottom one, the about phone, and then find the software information, and then file the build number. Yeah, okay, and then turn the developer mode. Okay, after you turn on the developer mode, scroll down to under the about phone, you will see developer option, and then open it up, the developer, oh wait a minute, okay, developer option, and then find, okay, wait a minute, yeah, find the, okay, maybe it find the, what we call it, a, okay, wait, yeah, down, maybe this, okay, this one. Under the minimum width, you can find the simulate display with cutout. Okay, click that, and then you will see several options. You can choose one of them. I will choose this one, the double cut. Yeah, the double cut out. You choose it, and then you will see a different over here. Okay, This one is cut on the top edge and a cut on the bottom edge, so it will minimize the crack, something like that. Okay, it will cool. Yeah, it may make your Samsung phone really cool. So that's about what you can do with your cracked Samsung S8, S9, S10 or something like that. Thank you for watching and ciao ciao.